Have you ever wondered how to make money on YouTube? It's an intriguing prospect, isn't it? This vast platform, brimming with entertainment, education, and inspiration, also holds a wealth of opportunities for those looking to earn an income. In fact, YouTube has been a game changer, creating a new breed of entrepreneurs and influencers who've turned their passion into profits. And the best part, you don't need to be a seasoned YouTuber with millions of subscribers to start. Even beginners can tap into this potential and start making money. Whether you're a tech enthusiast, a beauty guru, a fitness fanatic, or a passionate cook, there's a space for you. All you need is an idea, some dedication, and an understanding of how the platform works. So, are you ready to explore this digital goldmine? Stay tuned as we reveal 10 easy ways to start earning on YouTube. First off, let's talk about the YouTube Partner Program. This is a fantastic initiative by YouTube that allows you to earn from ad revenue. Essentially, once you become a part of this program, ads will be displayed on your videos. And each time these ads are viewed or clicked on, you earn a certain amount. But how do you become a part of this program, you ask? Well, there are a few eligibility requirements. You need to have more than 1,000 subscribers on your channel and over 4,000 watch hours in the past 12 months. And it doesn't stop there. Your content needs to adhere to the YouTube community guidelines and terms of service. And of course, you need to have an AdSense account. It might seem like a lot, but it's worth it. Once you meet the eligibility requirements, you can start earning from the ads displayed on your videos. If you're serious about making money on YouTube, consider the YouTube Mastery and Monetization course. This comprehensive program is designed to guide you through the process of creating engaging content, growing your subscriber base, and optimizing your channel for maximum profit. It doesn't matter if you're just starting out or if you've been at it for years. This course has invaluable insights for everyone. You'll learn the secrets of the YouTube algorithm, the art of creating eye-catching thumbnails, and the science behind crafting effective video descriptions. Plus, you'll gain access to exclusive strategies for driving viewer engagement and boosting your ad revenue. The course also includes practical tips on managing your channel, dealing with copyright issues, and leveraging YouTube's various monetization options. It's like having a personal YouTube coach guiding you towards success. For more information on this course, check out the description box below. Another way to earn money on YouTube is through channel memberships. This feature allows your subscribers to join your channel through monthly payments, and in return, they receive perks like badges, new emojis, and access to exclusive content. It's a method that's not just about the financial gain, but also about building a strong community around your content. Imagine it as a club where your most dedicated viewers can feel a sense of belonging. It's a way to say thank you to those who choose to support you more directly. But remember, the key to a successful channel membership strategy is providing value, whether it's behind-the-scenes footage, early access to new videos, or member-only live chats. The extras you offer should be worth the price of admission. It's a win-win. Your viewers get more of the content they love, and you get additional financial support. It's a great way to provide exclusive benefits to your loyal subscribers while earning extra income. Ever thought of selling your own merchandise? Well, many YouTubers are doing just that and reaping considerable benefits. Whether it's t-shirts with catchy slogans, custom design mugs, or limited edition posters. Merchandise can serve as a fantastic revenue stream. What's more, selling merchandise doesn't just generate income, it also helps to strengthen your brand. Imagine your fans wearing your logo on a hoodie or sipping coffee from a mug with your catchphrase on it. It's free advertising that reinforces your brand in the minds of your audience. To get started, you'll need to think about what kind of merchandise aligns with your brand. Once you have some ideas, there are plenty of online platforms that can help you design, manufacture, and ship your products to fans all over the world. So why not give it a go? Selling merchandise isn't just profitable, it's also a fun and creative way to engage with your audience. It's a great way to make money while promoting your brand. If you're finding these tips helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. It's a small act, but it goes a long way. Each click of that like button encourages the algorithm to share this valuable information with others seeking to make money on YouTube. And by subscribing, you're signing up to receive more insider tips and tricks straight to your feed. So don't be shy, hit like, click subscribe, and join our community. Your support helps us produce more content like this. Next up, we have Super Chat and Super Stickers, two wonderful features that YouTube provides to help creators earn money during live streams. Now, you might be thinking, what exactly are these? Well, let's dive right in. Super Chat is essentially a comment that your viewers can purchase during a live chat on your channel. This Super Chat stays highlighted in the chat stream, making it more noticeable and allowing the viewer's message to stand out. On the other hand, Super Stickers are animated images or emojis that viewers can buy and use during live chats. They're a colorful and entertaining way for viewers to express themselves and support their favorite creators. The beauty of these features is that they not only allow viewers to interact more directly with you, but they also provide an additional revenue stream. Each Super Chat and Super Sticker purchased contributes directly to your earnings. It's a fun way to engage your audience and make money at the same time. Did you know that YouTube Premium can help you earn money? Yes, you heard it right. YouTube Premium is a subscription service that offers an ad-free viewing experience to its members. But how does this translate into money for creators? Let's dive in. When a YouTube Premium member watches your content, you get a slice of their subscription fee. This slice is called a premium revenue. The more your content is watched by premium members, the more you earn. It's as simple as that. The beauty of this method is that it's entirely passive. You don't need to do anything extra. Just continue creating and uploading quality content that people want to watch. The key here is to make your content attractive enough for viewers to want to watch it without any ads. So, why not give YouTube Premium a shot? It's another way to earn passive income from your content. Let's talk about sponsored videos. This method of monetization really shines when you've established a solid and engaged audience. Here's how it works. Creators partner with companies that align with their content and audience. These companies sponsor videos, and in return, the creator promotes their product or service. It's a win-win situation. The creator gets paid and the company gets its products or services in front of a new audience. But remember, transparency is key. Always disclose to your viewers when a video is sponsored. It's not only ethical, but also a requirement by many advertising standards authorities. Also, always choose to partner with companies whose products or services you genuinely believe in. Your authenticity will resonate with your audience, and this will, in turn, lead to a more successful sponsorship. Sponsored videos can be a lucrative source of income if done correctly. So consider this method as you plan your YouTube monetization strategy. Last but not least, we have crowdfunding and Patreon. Now, these platforms are unique because they offer an avenue for creators to receive direct financial support from their audience. In essence, they're online tip jars where fans can contribute to the content they love. Crowdfunding sites like Kickstarter and Indiegogo allow creators to fund specific projects or ideas. They're perfect for those ambitious undertakings that may require a little extra financial boost. Then we have Patreon, a platform that redefines the traditional creator-fan relationship. Instead of a one-off contribution, Patreon allows fans or patrons to offer ongoing support in exchange for exclusive content or experiences. It's like having your very own fan club, where members chip in to keep the content flowing. These platforms not only offer financial support, but also foster a sense of community and direct connection between creators and their audience. It's a great way to get support directly from your audience. There you have it. 10 easy ways to make money on YouTube. We've explored ad revenue, channel memberships, selling merchandise, super chats and stickers, premium revenue, sponsored videos, and even crowdfunding. Don't forget that the YouTube Mastery and Monetization course is available in the description box below. Like, subscribe, and keep learning with us. If you found this video helpful, stay and watch another video related to this one. Remember, your YouTube journey is just beginning.